I'm happy to say that our channel crossed 500 subscribers. Big thank to all of you for watching all of my videos. Thank you once again for your support. Keep doing the same and stay tuned with us. And today's video is about bullet restoration. Let's move into the video. This old bullet was completely dismantled, repainted and changed most of the parts. Let me show how the bullet looks now. Let me share my first riding experience of the CI bullet. I never thought I would ride the CI bullet. I should thank my friend Prabhakaran, who is the owner of this bullet. I love this thumb sound. Whatever you change to aftermarket silencer, that cannot replace the old bullet thumb. I feel heavy and more vibration because he increased the engine crank to 10 kg. Even if I ride over the speed breakers without changing the gear also, I didn't experience the crank friction sound. It ran smoothly at this situation. Definitely it made like a gun. Soon I will post the mileage test video for this old bullet, and it is remarkable experience for me. If you like this video, please share to your friends and do subscribe to my channel. We'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.